guys, welcome back to my channel. So as part of my commitment to grant my subscribers' requests and as my way of saying thank you for all your support, I'll be doing a requested recipe yet again. This recipe is one of my favorite dishes that my mom used to cook for us back in the days. So when I started living independently, this is one of the dishes that I really learned to cook. I also got to share this to some of my friends and office mates and they really liked it, and apparently this became their favorite as well. And to all my friends, family, and loved ones, and to all my subscribers who've been watching and supporting my videos, thank you guys for the positive comments. I really appreciate that. And also to a dear friend Julie who's been requesting for this recipe for so long now, this is for you, girl. So this easy, healthy, and affordable recipe that I'm about to share to you is the Ginisang Talong with egg. Siguraduhin nakatulo ng mabuti yung talong bago igisa para walang sabaw yung ginisa natin. Sa pag-isa, you can use any cooking oil na available. It doesn't have to be olive oil unless gusto mo na mas healthy. Bago hanguin, tikman muna kung tama na yung alat. So ito na ang ating ginisang talong na may itlog. And syempre, there's no other better way to enjoy this hearty Ilonggo dish than with family or friends. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful and interesting, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future contents. Thank you for your time and God bless.